May 20th, 2019. What have we been up to? Hey everybody, we haven't checked in a long time. We've got a lot of updates here, a lot of activity, right? Be cold?
Yeah, it's freezing out.
So we just wanted to give you a quick updates about some of the activities going on here.
And we found a turtle on this like picnic table on the bottom where the black part is, and then now we have those sticks there.
Okay.
And his dad was trying to play.
So anyway, let's go over and take a look at our new retaining wall blocks. Okay, so we had a limestone retaining wall here, and we've now tore that out, and because it was failing, because I didn't really know what I was doing. Surprise, surprise. So we now need to put a wall in from all the way back there, all the way down here. It's gonna be about like, I don't know, like 110, 120 feet. What we did is we thought, well, how can we make a retaining wall that'll it should never fail? So we ordered these castle blocks, right? So this is the backside of one. It's smooth, but this is essentially what they're gonna look like. They're like giant Legos. Each one of these blocks weighs a ton, weighs a full 1,000 pounds. And then the cap blocks, each of those weighs, like that weighs 2,000 pounds and this weighs 1,000 pounds. So if you look at this block, you're like, each block is almost 2 feet wide. Let's see how deep, how long it is. By 4 feet.
And
by 2 feet. So.
And this could fall down on this block. It's not, see? It's not. And
well.
Before we went here, one of these cracked.
Okay, well, let's take a look. Well, that's all right. I mean, we'll have to work it out, right? I mean, I'd say we shouldn't be over here because what if they fall? But they weigh a lot, so they shouldn't fall. But let's not crawl on them, okay? Guys, what do you guys think in YouTube land? Should I let my kids crawl on these blocks? I'm thinking not. Look at how.
And I'm thinking not to either. To the max.
They're bigger than the kids are.
Yeah, look at how big these are.
So that's project one that we got going on with all these blocks. So my question is, do you think that wall will look like poo? And do you think this will fail? Yeah. I think with proper drainage.
Yeah.
And this wall's only going to be one of these tall plus this other one, so about 3 feet. So, all right. So that's update one. Let's go look at update number two. So we finally got our fence done. That did get done.
And we finally got some new steps. Come here. We got some new steps.
So we got that done. It looks okay. The parts that I screwed up, I'm never going to show you, so you'll never know. We kind of closed in under the deck with galvanized steel. I don't know. It might look okay. Over here is a lot of steel. I'm not really sold on that yet. But we also got a lot more concrete poured. I'll flip it around and show you that. So at the bottom of our stairs, we now have a landing and a sidewalk. Now, with this comes a whole lot more work and a couple of new problems. Let's go take a look at what some of the problems are. First off, I ran out of steps, right? I ran out of blocks. We got to get more blocks. We know that. They're hunting frogs right now.
We saw a frog on Sunday.
So
Today's Monday.
we have this swamp. I did get the tile ran in time for the downspouts, but I'm gonna have to dig now underneath this and run a couple tiles. I don't think that'll be that hard.
I see the frog, Dad.
Okay, what is it, dead frog?
Like it's right there.
I don't want to see if you guys want to see it,
You don't have to.
nobody wants to see a dead frog. Anyway, so that's what we got going on. We got that sidewalk put in. There's the wall.
I see that.
Been wondering like,
Dad. No, seriously, it is. Yeah, I saw the
it might be alive. I don't know. It's a frog. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Is he gonna leave it alone? Let's see. That does not look like leaving it alone. That's the wall we put in all last summer with the steps. I think that turned out okay. This concrete down here, it's like 25 by 32, something like that. It's a little bigger than we anticipated it being. I don't know what we're gonna do down here yet. So we gotta move this, burn ring, right? That ain't working anymore. And now this project has drifted around to the other side of my house where my wife says, she says looks no good. She said, figure out a way to make that look better. That's what Mrs. Woodward Acres says. So anyway, that's what's going on here at Woodward Acres. We wanted to give you an up-to-date. Kids are just clubbing frogs. We got swamps.
No, it's right here on the thing. Yeah, on the hose. It's gonna. See it? I don't think
That is not alive. That's been sitting.
No, it jumped.
Oh, it is alive. You should leave it alone. If you think they should leave it alone, if you think they should leave that frog alone, comment down below.
Okay, we will. No, I'm not.
See you guys later. We will keep you up to date as this progresses. I'll have more videos coming later. Thanks, guys.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification. Bye.